Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. The giveaway is to help a cause, for breast cancer, the foundation. All the money will be going to Susan G. Komen Foundation. I made an account, so when you donate, the money goes to that account, and when I reach the goal, the money I'll be writing a check, and the money will be going to Susan G. Komen Foundation. So the giveaway is going to be for a 2DS and one of the new Pokemon games that comes out November 24th. So if you're a Pokemon fan, this would be a good giveaway for you to enter. How you enter is you have to donate at least $10 US currency to the foundation. So click the link that will be in the description and donate $10, and then comment on the video, comment and say which Pokemon game you want. Do you either want the Omega Ruby, I think it's called, Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire, so I had to look up the names, I forgot them. So whichever one you want, comment below and tell me. And when you donate, use your YouTube name, so when I look it up, so I can see if you donated, and it matches up with your name when you comment, so use your YouTube name. And that's how you enter to win. So you have to donate $10, and you have to tell me which of the Pokemon games you want. So that's how you enter. It's very easy, so I hope you help the foundation and everything like that, and I hope you enter to win, and I'll hopefully call it the winner. I think I'm gonna make this run a little bit past October, so I'm trying to reach 7,500, not 75,000, sorry, 7,500 to donate to the foundation. It will help a lot. It will help everyone, because like I said, I had someone who died from breast cancer in my family, so it's really close to my heart, and I really appreciate it. So if you can help out and donate, if you don't want to enter and you still want to donate, go ahead. It'll still be helpful. So I think I'm gonna let it go until the game actually comes out. So I will have it running until November 21st. That's when the new Pokemon games come out. So it will be open till then, or till we reach the amount that I asked to do. So I hope y'all enter, and I hope y'all donate and everything like that, and I hopefully get a winner. So enjoy. Bye guys.